You know, that's that bag life for you. Oish, he'll assist me. Thank you.
There's another Corvette right there. He's getting his taxes done.
He ain't getting nothing back. Look at him, he spent too much money on them wheels. I got you 12. If you know anything about, you know, street rules, you're not supposed to change lanes in the intersection. Let's see what done changed over here.
There's a fat ass building over there. You see it?
Where?
We're downhill now.
Yeah, and we low. So we mobbing. By ourselves right now. That's what we doing. In the low preset. 12 on the right preset.
Chicken factory.
That's what that shit called? I actually ate there before, but I don't think it was called Chicken Factory. Seen so many badass accidents in this intersection, boy. Don't make no sense. Homie wearing a sheet outside. Or what are those things called? I know they got a name. I'm sure they got a name.
Like a poncho.
Oh, like a poncho. He wearing like a
What the fuck is that?
them apartments that they was gonna put up right there.
Yo, that's a lot of fucking apartments.
That's a lot.
Oh, hell no.
And then you know they put the studio down here as well. Carlton. It's gonna be the name of it. Oh Lord, we're gonna have people around here talking about, yeah, I live in the Carlton.
Next to school.
School's still there, huh? Other than that, oh, this is where I hit that fat ass rock that got that chip in your wheel. I'm so sorry. I don't know. Like, I'm telling you, I think that dude that was walking down the road, he was running. Like, I feel like he threw that rock in the road on purpose. Oh, they painted this shit and made it look.
Car wash.
They put car washes everywhere. That's the most. I want to say it's a scam. Oh shit, and I'm in the low preset. Oh, she didn't pick up in the front. We raking. We hit a rake. Y'all did it. Oh, it did pick up in the front. It took a little second. It was sitting at 38 for a minute.
Thick ass road.
Good. Hopefully it lasts. And it's worth the shit. Nothing like this we driving on right now. Boy, chopped. I got another one in the state, boys. That's the other state, boy.
The tan.
Yeah, the tan ones and the whatchamacallits and the blue and silver ones. Even though the tan ones are Douglas, they'll do the same thing to you. Hawk you down. Just because they got chargers too. Nice little Acura over there, okay? I didn't see that yesterday. He fencing on it.
Did you see Cedric's wheels
No.
in the backyard?
No.
No?
No. Wheels?
Yeah.
No.
Or somebody's wheels.
Where at?
Underneath the porch.
Probably some shit then.